Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Teemu Arina and I'm the CEO of Meetings. Meetings is the smartest way to meet. We put meetings on the cloud and make them accessible from any device. Here at Slush, we have been organizing meetings for investors to have meetings with startups, and there is about 500 startups who have signed up, as well as a couple of hundred of investors. The problem that we are solving is if you look at calendaring, if you look at the user interface like this, scheduling shouldn't be overly complicated. Scheduling should be easy, but many of us have faced how difficult it actually is. Sometimes we use services like Doodle, but with Doodle, you're back to email once you have found a suitable time. There is no real stickiness of using the service for all the meetings you organize. On Google Calendar, you have a calendar item, but the calendar item, even though we think of sharing it, you can add guests, it's not really shared with anyone specifically. So what we are announcing today is the smartest and most beautiful way to schedule meetings, different kind of meetings. Face-to-face meetings, meetings at your customer's office, teleconferences, Skype calls, any kind of meeting, any kind of online or face-to-face method you wish. And it's stunningly beautiful. Look at this. Different kind of schedulers configured for your individual scheduling and meeting specific needs. And once you find a time and a specific meeting you want to schedule, you just pick the time and we take care of the rest. We provide you a shared online meeting page for exchanging meeting materials, commenting, and inviting more people if you want. And all of this will synchronize with your cloud-based services. You get a meeting timeline that is a timeline of your meetings, your work day. And it works on the mobile in a pretty nice way. So it combines different kind of services that you already use out there. So we reunite the meeting data that has been scattered around in different services so that the 15 minutes between meetings that you have, you will be able to catch up and see what your next meeting will be all about. Also, what we do with these online live communication tools, we are not a video or audio service, but we integrate the best out there. So today, we have integrated Skype, your teleconferencing solution, as well as Hangouts should be available next week. And it's only one button to join the meeting. Also, what we have done, we have actually realized that you're not really scheduling meetings on our service, but you're scheduling meetings on Facebook chat, on a LinkedIn, on Gmail when you're having an email conversation. We make it extremely easy with a schedule meeting button. So you just click on this, it will be below someone's profile or in an email conversation. And what it does, it creates immediately this whole scheduling experience, and so you can send beautiful meeting invitations. Let me give you a couple of examples. Here is Alan James. He is from Colombia and he's a consultant. He uses .tel, which is his sort of online kind of contact page, and he has integrated meetings there as a schedule. Now here is a company called Idea Foundry, and this has a scrollable page like many cool startups nowadays. And there, if you want to meet for a coffee, the same kind of experience, beautiful branded company-specific scheduling experience. And here is a venture capitalist, Pavel Kurda, and he uses About.me. About.me is quite popular, but if you think of it, there is no call to action really. There is email me, obviously, and some social profiles. So what he has done, he has added a link to schedule a call with him. So with all this, we are not touching your specific meeting process. That can be online or face-to-face, whatever method you think. If the purpose is to drink beer, that's the purpose. If the purpose is to make decisions, that's the purpose. What we are looking into is why we meet. So what is the agenda of the meeting? And after the meeting, we look at the next action points. And we aim to synchronize your existing systems, also as we go forward, your CRM systems and all that, so that you don't have to do any additional work around meetings. Scheduling meetings should be extremely easy. We are the smartest way to meet. Thank you.
Thank you, Meetings. Let's hear from the jury.
Great, thank you. So
In terms of your product, is there any way to integrate it into an existing platform, Outlook, Google, whatnot? Because I'm just thinking, do I need another platform that I go to? I already use these products today. Do I need another one?
So I used to work on online collaboration technologies and consulting those, and I tried to push companies to use social business tools, but people would still use email. They went back to their old practices. So changing the practices is hard. So we figured that we want to actually integrate to the existing practices. That's why we have put a lot of effort in integrating basically the way how we notify you through email. And that's why we try to be the button in your email client or on LinkedIn and sneak in a way to your existing processes. And if we can change even a small thing in your day-to-day life, as a business user, you probably use a calendar and email. Those are like your power apps. There is no Twitter or Facebook that business users would use every day. LinkedIn is not there. It's like your dump of your contacts. So we want meetings to be the thing that you use between meetings.
How about the pricing of the product?
So regarding the pricing, it's a free service for anyone to use. But if you want to have more than one Meet Me page, that's going to cost for you. Also, if you want to brand it so that all the invitations and the meeting spaces look like your company, you will be able to brand it with our paid offering. Also, integrations to your existing workflow as a company, so CRM systems and so on, those will be also part of the value add bundle, basically a monthly paid service. And we are partnering with some operators like KPN in the Netherlands, and they are going to bundle it with KPN services, and we also make some revenue share from live communication tools.
Okay, thank you very much, Meetings.